Volkswagen. I am here today to walk you through how to build and reserve your all-electric EV today, your ID.4. So I'm here at Capo VW website, capovw.com. This little banner will pop up saying build and reserve the all-electric 2022 ID.4 EV today. You'll see that banner pop up. Press start now. This will take you to the VW website with all the lineup of the EVs. So you have your Pro, which is going to be your entry model, your Pro S, which is a step up, and then lastly, the Pro S with the gradient package, which is a step up from that. You'll also see the MSRPs for each of the vehicles. You can see right here me selecting them. And lastly, you'll see some of the differences between all the vehicles. Some of the features, I should say. So let me actually focus in. What does that gradient package mean? That is this silver bar you can see right here. Slightly larger rims compared to without, and then they actually black up the roof, making it a bit more sleek. You can also see some of these differences down below. So for this exercise, I'm actually going to stick with the Pro S. That's the car I like the most. And it will take you to this portal. You can see all that. You're going to start off with engines and transmissions right here. Press that. So it is currently selected on the rear wheel drive. You can also select all wheel drive. It will show you right here which one you are selecting, and then over here which one you have selected. Main difference, rear wheel drive will just have a motor in the back, whereas the all-wheel drive will have a motor in the back as well as in the front. Your horsepower obviously will be a bit more in the all-wheel drive. However, the range does come down compared to the rear-wheel drive. So I don't need the all-wheel drive. I'll actually just keep the rear-wheel drive. It's selected, and you can see that little check mark. Next, we'll go to colors. The Moonstone Gray, that's similar to a Battleship Gray. Then it has the Scale Silver, which personally I like that Scale Silver. The Mythos Black Metallic, as well as the Glacier White. And lastly, the Dusk Blue. Just for this exercise, I'm going to stick with that Dusk Blue color. Go to Interior. You can see this black. This is going to be leatherette. And this black, the Galaxy Black, will always have this brown insert right here. If you don't like that brown insert or the brown dashboard up here, which you can't see in this picture, you can select the Lunar Gray. See, when you select the Lunar Gray, this little option comes up, Platinum Gray Dash, just add. It's no additional charge. And you can see the nice lunar gray interior, and notice that brown little insert right here is changed to a darker gray. Having gone to all these car shows with this car, I've seen how it interacts with different people, and it stays fairly true to the color, and it's easy to clean up if, let's say, you have a small child that spills something. Very easy to clean up. I'm going to stick with that lunar gray, and lastly go to options. Most people do like that protection and convenience package, which you can select, show more detail right there. Slide down. It has the monster mats, so those heavy duty mats with the ID.4 logo. It looks super nice, super clean. The heavy duty trunk liner with cargo blocks, the EV roadside assistance kit, and lastly the first aid kit. So I like that package. I'm going to select it. And second, I've seen a lot of people get the enhanced rear view mirror. So let me show you what it is. Just like a normal mirror, however, it has these little buttons on the bottom. Those buttons correspond and can be programmed to operate most garage door openers, as you can read down here. So I have it in my Tiguan right now, so I'm actually going to select that because I do like it. And you'll go to summary. This will just show you the car, show you the MSRP right here, choose the engine, so I chose rear wheel drive, the horsepower, torque, the selection of rims, the color, exterior color, as well as different options, so those protection convenience package and enhanced rear view mirror. You'll think, okay, where do I sign up? So keep on scrolling to this box, reserve your ID.4 today, press confirm changes, and let it load. It'll come to the personal information, so I'm going to type in my information right here. Niles Lopshire, N. Lopshire at capovwmazda.com, and Lopshire at vwmazda.com, and then type in your home address. The city, state, of course, and lastly your zip code 92675, and your phone number 951-440-6566. Once you've done all that, make sure all the information is correct, and then press continue to preferred dealer. It's going to take that information and it's going to actually sort which dealership you are closest to. Being that we are Capistrano Volkswagen, if you are further away, you can actually type in our zip code up here, and our zip code is that 92675. Once you select that, I've actually selected Capo VW not only because I work here, but we don't charge a cent over MSRP. Our team is very knowledgeable about the ID.4. And lastly, I'm going to be your personal assistant, helper, however you want. I will help you through anything. If you need help selecting or going through the order guide and going through the car, I'll be able to help you through that. Scroll down, continue to payment information. You can either billing address, choose the same as the personal address, or just type in a new address, type in your card information. Because I'm not going to do that, I'll show you the next screenshot. So this is what's going to come up next. It's going to review and submit. So you have your personal information up here, and then the selected dealer. So this person chose a dealership out in Virginia. And lastly, the payment information and your car right down here. So exterior color, they chose the red, package, standard, and drive rear wheel drive, similar to mine. Once you select this box, check this if you just read that information, and lastly, authorize the Volkswagen as well as the dealership to contact you. It's going to be $100 a day once you press submit. In an extended period of time, it depends on the production. You have up until you submit the $400 to review your order, change it how you will. So if you want to go from that blue color to, let's say, that skill silver, you can change all that in the reservation platform. Once you press submit, it will process that $100. You're now in the queue, and then that $400 down the road, you'll submit that, and that puts it actually into production, and it makes it super nice then. And you can actually see exactly where the car is, whether it's at the factory in Germany or in Chattanooga down the road, or if it's in transport to the dealership, or even if it has hit the dealership lot. You can see exactly where that vehicle is. Also, you'll create an account through Volkswagen, so you'll enter your information here, and that's where you'll see that information. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. 951-440-6566. Once again, it's Niles Lopshire here at Capistrano Volkswagen. I'm happy to help you in any way I can. Just let me know. 951-440-6566. Have a wonderful day, and I hope you reserve your ID.4 today. Have a good one. Bye.